Welcome to this new lecture of Flutter series, and in this today's lecture we are going to learn one more widgets of the Flutter. And today's what we are going to learn is about the container widgets of the Flutter, right? So as you can see my screen, or as you can see my right hand side or your right hand side screen, there is a boring text, just looking a simple text um, on the app, right? So it's not looking very good. Now if you are using a container widgets around it and wrap this text around the container widgets, you will see an amazing effect, like you will see the background color of the text. So let's do it now. So if we wrap this around, you have to press to open this menu, you have to press on the Mac option plus and return key, right? So you will see this little pop-up menu, and in this you will select the container widgets, right? So if you wrap this around the container widgets, and as you can see this warning, there is a remove unnecessary content, but we don't have a unnecessary content. We are going to put a color in this container, colors dot blue, right? So as you can see, there is a color on the back end side of the text, right? So it's just a background around your text, right? So if you see the tree structure, we have the container, and that container have the blue color that have the child of text by the text hello guys welcome, right? And its font size is 26, right? So now if you provide some padding means the inner side of the text, it will move away from the container, right? Edge insects dot all 20, and it's a constant. So to remove this warning, you have to place the constant. Now add some margin around the container. So edge insects dot all and 20, right? So you can see there is a 20 space around the container, all, and also the inner side of the container, right? So this padding and margin, you can also give the constraint to this, right? So if you use the constraint box constraint dot type for finite width, so it will only look, or it will only focus on the width that you have provided, and the height will be, it's according to the parent, right? So as you can see, the width will be around 200 and height will be according to parents, right? So for this you have to align alignment dot center, right? So now height will be 200, the text will be aligned to the center of the box, right? And the width will be 200. If you provide 300 width, then the width of the box will be according to your provideness, and the height will be according to the parent. Okay, box is in a rectangle in shape graph, right? So if you want to give this a circle shape, then you have to use the decoration, right? Decoration and box decoration dot bracket, then you have to provide inside the bracket, right? Shape, then box shape dot, you will see the rectangle and circle. Now we want a circle shape, right? So it's all also the constant one, and you have to use this color inside the decoration, right? So it's a rule that you cannot use the color outside if you are using the decoration properties of the container, right? So now as you can see, I have the container, then I have the decoration, box decoration, the color will be inside the decoration, then shape we are giving the circle, Now if we again run our app, you will see the circle shape around our text widgets, right? It will select the thinnest part of the or the center part of your text and draw the circle in the background of your text widgets or any other widgets you are using, right? So now if you use a margin age in sex dot all to 25 and padding age in sex dot all to 40, right? So both will be the constant. Let me just copy and paste over here, similarly over here. Now if we reload our app, then you will see there is a margin and padding around, and this makes your circle a little bigger than the without using the margin and padding, right? So now if you are using a rectangle instead of circle, then you can also provide one more properties around in this container around your text, right? So that property will be transform. It will make your rectangle to rotate a little bit according to your providence, right? We will provide 0.05, so it will rotate on the z axis. You can also change the axis over here if you need some more axis, or you want to work with the 3D models of your app, right? So here you will provide rotation to the circle, right? Whatever you provide, it will rotate according to your value, right? So there is more things for the container also you can use on a different way in your app, right? So this is the main concept and basic concept you have learned, that I already teach you that there is a box decoration, shape, color, margin, padding, alignment, width, constraint. You can provide all these things, and these are all the basic things that I have covered. So you will learn 95% of everything in the container. Now you just need to apply and by yourself and learn more about the containers. So hope you have understand everything about the container, and you will use it in your app and do some new things. And if you done something new other than what I have teach, then just let me know in the comment section, so we can also teach to the other students who are learning and looking to this lecture. So hope you all enjoy this lecture and you like this lecture, right? And learn something new about the containers and Flutter widgets, right? So I am doing a continuous hard working for you guys to teach you everything about the basics of the Flutter, and hope you will learn every day a new things in the Flutter. And today we talk about the container widgets, and many more to come about the widgets on the Flutter series, right? So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, we already made some new videos around the Flutter widgets, right? So you can go and watch that videos. We also learn about how to install the Flutter on your Mac, right? So if you haven't look at to that video, go to my channel and into the playlist of Flutter series from beginner to pro. You can have access to all the lectures for free, and you can learn something and earn for your future purpose, right? So if your Flutter is the future, and everybody knows that. So if you want to learn about the Flutter, then do subscribe to channel and like and comment something that you have learned from my lectures, and hope you will comment something to so we can interact with each other, and I will let know what you need to learn. I will improvise in the next lecture so you can learn something new, right? So do comment and like the video, and also subscribe the channel if you haven't, and press the bell icon. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.